Oh, this beautiful powder. Look at this. Oh, shit. Nope. Nope. Ugh. Why is it every time I come to this park, I somehow, one way or another, get stuck? I got stuck in that big ass snow pile over there, trying to get the sled off my truck, and I pretty much buried myself. Today's like a gorgeous day, and I figured I'll come out here on the trails, see how far we can make it. So I did notice that there's a trail. There's a road on this side of the woods that is pretty much further down, is like it turns into like a trail area. I don't know how to get there, but I guess I'm gonna follow these trails and try to see if I could ditch bang over there a little bit to get there and see how far we get. Oh, beautiful. And of course I'm gonna do it again. Let's get on the trail and let's see what we can find. Oh, these are nice and fresh still, somewhat. Oh, this trail feels good. Snow is still nice and soft. It's not like all back down. Plus we got like 2 inches since the snowstorm on top of that, which I'm sure some areas haven't even been written yet. Hopefully we'll find some virgin snow. Oh yeah. I think this is my favorite part of this trail, is this little wall climb that they got going on here, like this little area. Yeah, except this is not nice. Man, I don't like this. Oh man, tell me I'm gonna fit here. Wow, I do. Alright. I don't think I'll fit through the other one. Or will I? Dang it. I fit. I forced myself through. Alright, so I'm gonna take this Gilmer Road, see if I can get to Route 12, which is where I saw all the awesome trail spots. Or I know I saw a trail there, 100%. 100% I saw a trail there. And I've never been there, so I'm definitely I'm going to check it out. I'm going to see if I can make it there. Alright, so we're going to ditch bang around this road here. We might have to cross it a couple of times, or once at least, I know that. This is awesome. This powder, man. Alright, I'm just gonna stay up here now. I can see somebody rode here. is hard to carve with. There we go. You'll carve this way, won't you? Yeah, you will. Alright, let's go back to the main road, I guess, and figure out how to get where we're going. Oh, stupid sign. All right. Man. Oh shit. Nope. Nope. Ugh. Holy shit. Oh man, this is a sidewalk. I probably shouldn't be on here. I'm probably gonna cruise here for a little bit without anybody noticing me. I'm on top of the snow. I'm not on the sidewalk. I just need to get through here as fast as I can without anybody seeing me. Which way? This way. Let's go this way. Haul ass here. Alright, now I gotta cross this busy ass road, but I think I got to where I needed to go. Finally, holy shit, man. Alright, let's cross this busy road. Oh man, I can't believe I'm actually getting where I want to go. Alright, let's cross to the middle. And then we're gonna cross all the way across. All right, go, 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 go. All right, go. There we go. And we are here on the trail. Woo! We made it. All right. So I found a way. Sweet. Here's the trail. Trail marker. Let's see where this takes us, shall we? This is a nice little play area here. Well, I got here, so let's see where we end up. So we cut through here. I know exactly where I am, and I know exactly where this is. I can't believe this is a trail, and I never knew about it. I've driven past here all the time. All the time. This is Darrow Road. So you're telling me the trail continues on the side of the road. Alright, well that sucks. And I'm debating whether I should try to ditch bang this. Man, it's like super close to the road. I don't like this at all. But it is a trail. And I'm gonna book it back just to see which way this goes the other way, because that goes towards my house, and I'm really curious where it continues or if it just dies there, which I doubt. It should continue somewhere. Alright, so let's head back. I know where that trail goes for sure. There's a lot of riding area over there. So that's kind of a cool little connection here. So I want to see where this goes the other way though, really badly. Thank you, farmers, for letting us ride our snowmobiles on your property, obviously, because this is definitely a farm field. Farm field that I'm hauling ass through. Oh, son of a bitch, I guess it doesn't go anywhere. Fuck! Trailhead, stop. Okay, well, fuck. I guess that blows, right? Jumping onto Route 12. Lovely. Let's wait for these cars to go by. Alright, let's roll. Alright, so here's a question. Should I head back the direction that I came from and try to overcome all those freaking obstacles over there? Or should I actually attempt to make it home? And then I can just have somebody drop me off and pick up my truck. Decisions. I'm gonna try to go home. Let's do that. So I'm gonna go this way. This is good. I'm not the first one that's been here. Alright. What's the road here? Oh shit. Yeah. Damn. This virgin snow. Jason, this one's going out for you, buddy. You're probably at work right now and I'm right next to your job snowmobiling. Ah! Woo! Maybe I should cross on the other shoulder. Yep. There we go. Virgin snow! Here I'm gonna ride slow. Oh, so this doesn't happen. Damn, almost went in. Oh, stand on this side. Yeah, because this is a pretty big drop. Screw that. Alright, I know I'm going to have to take it slow here. There's a bunch of road construction going on here. Holy shit.
You shall not pass! My big stick.
Well, I'm taking the road, I guess. Fuck it, right? Oh, fuck me. There we go. I'm good. Powder! Woo! Cook! don't hit the tree. I'm home! Oh shit, my truck's not here! Oh man, that is funny. Uh-oh. Nope. 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 Stay up. Stay up. There's a fox. Holy shit, there's a fox. I'm home. So here you go, guys. I just made it back to my house. I actually went back and I picked up my truck. I just got to ride back and picked up my truck. Anyhow, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. It would mean a lot to me. And thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my channel, guys. And hopefully we'll have enough of these good conditions for me to do a little bit more of the same thing that I did today. So thanks for watching, guys, and later.